philosophies. How do you intercept those people before they shoot?
This is the most difficult question in a democracy. We have to respect the First Amendment. We can't.
And good evening, everybody. Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli here in the NBC Nebraska Weather Center, cutting into programming right now because we do have a tornado warning in effect for one of our populated areas. This one is for portions of Keith and extreme northern Perkins County. We're on the air right now because the tornado warning does include the entire city of Ogallala right now. It is a radar indicated tornado, but storm spotters have reported a funnel cloud from this storm that is making its way through Ogallala right now. Also, we're getting reports of possibly $half sized hail. So here's where it is right now. The strongest portion of the storm is just off to the north and off to the east of Ogallala. It is skirting the city, but the bad news about this one here is, and I'll put the live tracker on this one, if there is a tornado with this system, it would be just skirting the northern and eastern portion of the city of Ogallala. So if you do live in Ogallala, take your tornado precautions right now. This is a serious situation. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. That's a small interior room away from windows. I want to air this one for you right now. So if you are in the city of Ogallala, here's a recap on what to do for tornado safety. The best places to be in a tornado is get away from the rooms that do border the outside, so halls. Bathrooms are good because of the piping, but the best place to be in a tornado is in a basement. Want to recap that once again. We do have a tornado warning issued for Keith County, including the city of Ogallala. That does go only for the next 20 minutes. And the good news for the city of Ogallala is the fact that you're only going to be under the gun for this possible tornado for the next few minutes, because it's going to move off into the areas, the rural areas south and east of Ogallala. So we do have a tornado warning out in that direction. Before we send you back to programming, I do want to look at the rotation with this one. And here's where it is right now. So this is really good news. Ogallala is right here, the center of rotation. The possible tornado looks to be about 4 miles off to the north and east of Ogallala. Watch out if you're traveling along I-80 or Highway 30, but if there is a tornado from this system, it looks to be just off to the north and off to the east of the city of Ogallala. But still, take your tornado precautions if you do live in the city of Ogallala. Let's take a look at the hail tracker. It also looks like the hail core is just north of Ogallala. The hail core will be just off to the west of where the possible tornado is. We're still seeing $half to maybe even ping pong ball sized hail. I'm going to put this in motion, but it looks to skirt the city of Ogallala to the north and to the east. Also want to mention that there is one more severe thunderstorm warning. That's also in effect until 6 p.m. Central Time. It's for extreme eastern portions of Custer County, just off to the north and east of Elk Creek, but that looks to be exiting our viewing area over the next few minutes. So that's what we have right now. Continue to take shelter if you do live in the city of Ogallala. A possible tornado just off to the north and to the east of the city. We'll keep you updated. Our newscast will be on in about 19 minutes, coming up at 6 o'clock Central Time. Until then, we're going to send you back to regular programming.
Roughly 100 people trapped in these apartments evacuated by boat.
I was terrified because it's just so high.
More than 9 inches of rain falling since midnight, shattering records set in 1915 and turning highways and roads into raging rivers.